Kumags Chris, sa mga padung?
Mag-gym pa ko Kumags Jonathan, kaya napa ko schedule karon sa ako ang skin clinic.
Perfect, kaya na ako'y ma-recommend yung mga gym nga all-in-one na sa fitness ug body and skin treatment. Tara!
Ang pag-workout o pag-treat sa atong kaugalingon, dako gid kaayong tabang nato to maintain a fit body and good looks. And to cater to their clients' needs, gi-make sure sa Slimmers World International nga all-in-one sila sa mga amenities for fitness, body, and skin wellness.
Where did you get the concept of having a fitness gym with a body and skin clinic?
All the principles here is from our president, Mr. Ronald Joseph Moy, and he got this based on a study at Tufts University at Massachusetts, having three things: great bodies workout, nutrition management, and treatments.
Slimmers World International is a gym and a body and skin clinic rolled into one gyud. Amazing! Maong alang sa mga gusto og fit body, pwede kang mag-treadmill, weightlifting, ug aerobics sa ilang gym. Maong nag-gym gyudayon mi ni Kumags Chris Kumags. Di lang na Kumags, kung concerned sab ka sa imong diet, naa sila'y libreng consultation.
For Slimmers World, use the food plate. It's like your food is divided into 4: fruits, vegetables, protein, and carbohydrates.
We provide good nutrition for our clients.
All-in-one gyud ang services dinhi sa Slimmers World Kumags. Kay naasab sila'y body, face, and skin clinic. Maong gi-avail ni Kumags Chris ang channeled optimized radio frequency energy o core shape.
Core Shape is an advanced slimming treatment. This is a 30 minutes to get slim and sexy body.
It's guaranteed that you have inch loss after the treatment.
Murasag na bawasan ng gumayng fat sa akong tiyan, sa ilabi na nga gusto jud ko ka ng ma-six-pack akong abs.
O kung gusto nimo mag-relax after a heavy workout Kumags, mamahimo kang magpa-Swedish massage sa ilang in-house therapist. Naasab sila gitawag ng IPL o Intense Pulse Light Modality Treatment.
For IPL, we have two treatments here in Slimmers World. Ito target ito is yung epidermis na, wherein the collagen and elastin is already found in that area. So, that's why magiging supple na yung skin.
Tuwa ka mag sa tanang facial treatments na nasilay kaning vacuum to suck the whiteheads off the face. It's something new.
Dagan pang treatments ang pwede nimong ma-avail sa Slimmers World Kumags sama sa ilang bagong face and neck firme.
We want all our clients na mag-e-enroll sa amin is makukuha nila yung sinet nila ng gold.
Ang akong experience karon diri sa Slimmers World is nindot jud kayo bro. Ikaw bro, kumusta imong hang facial?
Ay, nindot kay bro. Feeling na hot limpyo kaya ako na.
All-in-one gym experience good dinhi sa Slimmers World.
Sa nagkadaiyang services nga gi-offer dinhi Kumags, no wonder gyud nga mas mudaghan ang kliyente sa all-in-one gym nga Slimmers World.